Don't know who needs to hear this, but you can't be good at just one thing anymore. When I started building my app, I didn't know coding or anything. I just knew I had a really great idea. An app that lets you make payments without internet is a game changer. So I used things like Claude Code and Cursor and a bunch of other apps altogether. This is just me, but all my best work happens after like 9 pm. To be honest, I've got to be like 12 different Kabeers at the same time. Making pitch decks, I've got to figure out like design, fonts, stuff like that. Then I got to switch gears and be a student. There's that one paper that's somehow always due tomorrow. And on top of that, I've got to make reels, push out content. Some do well, some just don't work. But either way, I always learn something. So, mistakes are sort of inevitable. But if you solve 100 problems, then the 101st problem is not going to be an issue.